The journey to a clean liver. Let your liver breathe free and say goodbye to toxins. In our body, the liver functions like a tireless chemical plant, processing everything we eat, drink, and even inhale every day. However, the stress of modern life, high-fat diets, alcohol consumption, medication, and pollution puts an immense strain on this factory. You may not notice it, but your liver is quietly working for you until it sends out a distress signal: fatigue, indigestion, deteriorating skin. So it's crucial that we help the liver reduce its burden and keep it in optimal condition. One key to protecting your liver is to support its metabolic and detoxification functions through scientific nutritional supplements. Why is the liver so important? Let's imagine you're the owner of a restaurant, and the liver is your head chef. Every time you eat, your liver analyzes, processes, and decides how to handle the ingredients entering your body. It not only filters out harmful toxins, but also converts nutrients into usable energy. If you overindulge in food and alcohol at night and feel dizzy and bloated the next day, it's because your liver is working overtime to clean out the alcohol and fat in your body. The liver handles an enormous workload, processing more waste daily than you could imagine. However, if you maintain an unhealthy lifestyle for a long time, the liver is forced to work in overdrive and its functions begin to deteriorate. Just like a factory machine running too often without proper maintenance, its efficiency inevitably decreases. Therefore, it's essential to provide the liver with the nutrients it needs and give it extra support at the right time. Super supplements to help your liver breathe freely. So, what supplements can help our liver manage stress and stay healthy? Let's reveal these liver protectors one by one. Milk thistle, the guardian of the liver. Milk thistle is known as the liver's superhero, with its main component being silymarin. This natural herb has been used for centuries to treat liver diseases. Its primary function is to repair damaged liver cells, promote liver cell regeneration, and enhance the liver's detoxification ability. Imagine that if the liver were a fortress, milk thistle would be like a protective shield installed around it, helping fend off toxin invasions. Here's a real-life story. A working mom named Kathy often stayed up late, had irregular meals, and attended many social events, which overloaded her liver. She started taking milk thistle extract and after some time, was pleasantly surprised to find that she no longer felt tired in the mornings, and her skin had become more radiant. This is the magic of milk thistle. It repairs and protects your liver without you even noticing. Turmeric, the anti-inflammatory warrior for the liver. When we talk about turmeric, you might think of delicious curry, but its role goes far beyond seasoning. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that can effectively reduce liver inflammation. In today's world, our livers are often exposed to harmful factors like pollution and poor diets, leading to common liver inflammation problems, and curcumin is the perfect solution to cool down the inflammation. An office worker named Annie, whose diet was high in fat and who drank alcohol frequently, saw her liver function deteriorate over time. Her doctor recommended she try a supplement containing curcumin. After some time, Annie's blood lipid levels and liver function markers significantly improved. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties helped her liver return to a healthier state. N-acetylcysteine, NAC. The super booster for glutathione, N-acetylcysteine, NAC, is a powerful tool for increasing the body's glutathione levels, and glutathione is one of the most potent antioxidants in the body, primarily acting in the liver. Glutathione helps the liver neutralize toxins, protects liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, and promotes liver cell regeneration. NAC is a highly promising supplement, especially for those whose livers are under heavy stress. A fitness enthusiast named John had put a lot of strain on his liver due to prolonged use of workout supplements. By taking NAC, his glutathione levels increased and his liver function improved. NAC not only helped detoxify his liver, but also enhanced his overall metabolism. Choline and methionine, key to preventing fatty liver. When the liver metabolizes fat, choline and methionine are two crucial nutrients that help the liver effectively break down fat, preventing excessive fat buildup in the liver. With the prevalence of high-fat diets in modern life, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease has become a growing concern, and these supplements are effective in preventing this issue. How to choose the right liver supplements for you. By now, you might be eager to try some of these supplements, but how do you choose the right one for yourself? This is actually a process that varies from person to person. First, you need to consider your lifestyle, eating habits, and health status. If you often stay up late, drink alcohol, or have a high-fat diet, antioxidant supplements like milk thistle and turmeric may be ideal for you. If you're engaged in high-intensity workouts or taking large amounts of medication, NAC can provide your liver with the necessary antioxidant support. Secondly, pay attention to the quality of the supplements. Choosing scientifically certified brands with high-purity products is crucial. Low-quality products may contain impurities, which can add extra burden to the liver instead. Lastly, remember that supplements are just one part of liver health, and a healthy diet and lifestyle are equally important. Regular exercise, adequate hydration, and reducing alcohol and fat intake can all help your liver function more easily. Give your liver a deep clean. Under the heavy pressure of modern life, the liver is like a filter that needs regular cleaning. Through reasonable nutritional supplements, you can help your liver work more efficiently and maintain its health. Whether you choose milk thistle, turmeric, NAC, or other liver supplements, remember to give your liver a break. It will reward you with a healthier, more vibrant body. Your liver has been quietly working for you, and now it's time to show it some care. Let's embark on this journey to a clean liver together and rejuvenate your body. If you enjoyed my channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can receive more of my future content. Thank you!